What is up, my babes and gibs of the world? It's your girl Keelan, aka Itskeilynnn, and I am back with another mother freaking video. Now today's look is going to be on my eyebrows and how I get them, how I do them. Y'all, I'm looking a mess. I'm looking at myself and my acne has just gotten out of hand. I just don't know what to do. My face has been going through because Mother Nature. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video and show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So the first step is to make sure that you brush the eyebrows out with a spoolie or the back of that brush comb thingy. I couldn't find my spoolie at the time. Next, I'm gonna take my eyebrow archer kit that I got for Christmas when I first started doing makeup. It's the powder, it's a duo, and I'm gonna spray some setting spray in it just to make it a little wet, and then start at the arch and make my way to the tail. Now here you can see I am measuring out where my eyebrow should end, just making sure everything is right. And now I'm gonna start by filling in the top part of that tail and filling it in towards the bottom of the eyebrow. Now here I am going a little bit above the center and just making sure everything is filled in. I am going to do upward hair strokes, filling it in towards the middle, and just whatever product is left on the eyebrow or the brush, I make sure to feather or an upward hair stroke the top part to give it that ombre effect. So as you can see here, I'm just filling in any sparseness that I have in my brows, making sure it is filled in all the way before I move on to the next step. So once again, I'm going to comb the eyebrows out, just make sure everything doesn't look too harsh, get those harsh lines out, and prepare for the next step. Here I am taking my Pro Fusion Concealer. I am taking a shade that is lighter than me. I believe it is in the shade Honey. And I am going to take that on a small brush. And I am going to, I take some on the back of my hand, and then I put it on the brow and just clean everything up. As you can see there, I'm putting it on the back of my hand just so it can give me a controlled amount of concealer. And I'm putting that and defining and cleaning up that eyebrow. So at this point you can see that my eyebrow shape is coming together as I finish concealing, making everything sharp on the top portion and also on the bottom portion. So now I'm just gonna shape the other eyebrow and basically just make sure that the two eyebrows are kind of the same shape. You want them to be at least sisters if they can't be twins. So here I'm just gonna go under and shape the other eyebrow and bring the concealer together. So now I'm going to take a clean fluffy blending brush and just blend that concealer in. This is a vitally important step because you want it to look like it's your natural brows. So this step is necessary and it will help with blending in the foundation later. So whatever concealer is on the brush, you'll see that I put that on the beginning of the brow to give it that ombre effect from light to dark. So once again, I am back with my spoolie, just making sure everything is in place. As you can see, I have kind of that light to dark effect going in. And right here, I am still blending, and I am going to eventually put the concealer at the beginning of the eyebrows to give it more of an ombre effect. Basically, you just want to make sure that the concealer is blended out to the point where you really cannot see it. Again, I'm going to go back in with the spoolie just to make sure everything is filled out. There's no sparseness. It looks great. So yeah guys, this is what I do for my eyebrows every day. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Remember, stay classy and a little bit trashy. Peace.
Tuition never lies. There's nothing you can never hide. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you